I'm very excited to vote in Minnesota as I'm a new resident here. I've been here for 2 years, and since Trump's been in as a president, we've seen like a lot of our rights as citizens, as Muslim Americans, completely trounced upon, and I'm very excited to at least give a little bit of a pushback against his racist views.
Most important issue for you and how it affected your voting?
Probably immigration, and that's why I'm voting Republican, so we can get some real laws in this country to protect our border and protect our way of life.
It's not just Trump, but yes, I've never seen anybody in any form of authority behave the way he's behaving. There's nothing politically correct about him. There's nothing that anybody, Republican or Democrat, feels safe with him. As an American person, I don't feel safe with him.
I don't think the President of the United States has any problem with people being here from other countries. He's simply saying you have to come in legally. I support that position, and I support people who go to Congress and support that position, and that's just the way it is.
Some of my voting was, I don't think it had anything to do with race. It has to do what the individuals are saying and how they're going to help the people in the state of Georgia. And that's what I based my vote on. That's why I came out to voice my opinion.
I agree with many of the things he's done. Not everything, but many of the things he's done. I think he's got the best interest of our country in mind, both domestically and also internationally.